Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the new iPhone 15 FineWoven cases. Apple is working to replace all leather products it sells with a new material called FineWoven. They're still keeping the Apple silicone cases for now, along with their clear case, but these are the latest ones, so I thought we'd take a look at them. Now they're available for each size iPhone, so I have one for each size, where we have the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we'll take a look and see if they fit the iPhone 14 models. We'll also see what the texture is like and just how protective they are, how they're made, and more. Now each one of these is $59 each. There's 5 total colors. I only have 3 colors here, but there's a mulberry color that we have here. There's an evergreen, a taupe, Pacific blue that we have here for the 15 Pro and 15, as well as a black color. I also actually have the FineWoven Wallet since I use the Apple Wallet, so I thought we'd take a look at that. Now they are supposed to have MagSafe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the iPhone 15 case first. Now let's pop this out here, and you'll see there's nothing really special on the box, pretty much what you would expect with any of their leather case boxes they had before. And inside, we'll only take a look at the insert in one. There's no Apple stickers or anything, but we just basically have a little information packet or warranty that comes with it. And let's put this aside. So this is the Pacific Blue case. Now, as far as a color comparison, they're calling this Pacific Blue. Here's the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that gives you an idea of the color difference. Definitely a different color there. So it's very dark compared to that. Now, as far as the material itself, definitely has a different suede-like feel to it, and Apple says it's made from a durable micro twill. The material has a soft, suede-like feel, according to them. The FineWoven material was also designed with the earth in mind. It's made from 68% post-consumer recycled content and significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to leather, according to Apple. Apparently, it quickly snaps into place and fits snugly over the iPhone without adding bulk. Inside, you can see the texture where it actually fits with the MagSafe ring. It looks very familiar as before, but this does not feel like microfiber at all. It has sort of a suede-like feel. It has what feels like sort of a rubber or silicone outside, and then of course on the outside we have some buttons. I'm not sure if these are metal. They do feel like it. We have a cutout for the silent button or the action button, depending on which phone you have. And on the bottom, it is protective, like last year's cases as well. So we have a cutout for the USB-C port, our speaker, and microphone. On the other side, we have our power button, so it doesn't leave this open. So let's go ahead and open all of these and then see what they'll fit. So we've got this one out of here for the iPhone 15. Here's the iPhone 15 Pro. So let's set that aside. So no packaging here really, other than just paper packaging. So the 2 different sizes. Then the iPhone 15 Plus, and this one again is in mulberry color. So again, let's set that aside. And then up close for that color, we'll take a closer look at this again, but it has a little bit of debris on it already from the factory. And then also we have the black color. So we'll get all of these out of the box here, and again, set them aside. Now this is supposed to be their premium option, and I don't know if it feels as premium as leather. It depends on what you actually like the feel of. It's definitely grippy. It has a very suede-like feel or Alcantara-like feel, although it doesn't feel as though it's as deep of a texture. So it feels like it's very surface level, very tight, maybe like a shirt, but you can see it here. Let me see if I can get even closer. So you can see sort of the weave in there as well. So there's definitely a weave within there, fine woven. Again, on the other side, you can't really see it a whole lot here, but on the back, you can definitely feel that difference. So it's very protective, it seems, but I'm not sure how durable this will be over time. It will make it easier to bring in and out of maybe a pocket compared to the silicone cases, but the leather case may be a little bit more grippy. But again, this is an all new, more sustainable material, according to Apple. Now, as far as the previous cases, let's go ahead and see how it fits. So here I have an iPhone 14. Let's see how it fits around the outside edge. So it appears to fit pretty well. As far as the button alignment goes, on the side, we have our silent switch. I can press the buttons for volume, no problem. On the other side, it feels like all the buttons align. On the bottom, it's pretty much the same. So everything seems to align. You could definitely use these FineWoven cases, at least on the iPhone 14, most likely the 14 Plus as well, although I don't have one of those nearby. I do have the model that I had from before though. So as far as that goes, we can place that in this Mulberry case, and it gives you an idea of what it looks like. So these models, as far as thickness, were spot on as far as that goes. Again, all of the speakers and microphone align no problem. The phones I don't expect to fit are the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. The new dimensions of the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are a little bit shorter and narrower. So it barely fits on the width of this. You can see the port alignment on the bottom isn't very good, and I can't really fit it over the top. I really have to squeeze it over there. However, the overall buttons seem to be in similar places, and the same is true for the side. So very familiar as far as the feel of it, but it definitely won't fit here. So just keep that in mind if you wanted to try those out. Let's try the other one as well. So I do have the model of the 15 Pro Max to see how that fits. And again, the model's spot on, so this would be sort of the natural titanium look, to give you an idea there. And let's try the 14 Pro Max. I have one in deep purple, and we're going to experience the same thing. The case is narrower and shorter. So the new phones are definitely a little bit smaller as far as that goes. We know they're lighter and made of titanium, but if maybe you have an iPhone 14 or 14 Plus, it looks like most likely you'll have no issue with the case fitting, but you will with the other ones. As far as MagSafe, let's take a look at the magnets with magnet paper. You can see the same ring magnet there, so you can see it on the back. Again, you'll see it on the other side as well. So the magnet's within the material itself, so you can use all of your MagSafe accessories. And as far as the wallet goes, I've been using the wallet for a while. I do like the patina that you get with the leather. I don't expect the same thing with FineWoven, but let's go ahead and open this one up. Looks like we have to peel off this little pull tab here. There we go. And let's slide out the wallet. I'm not sure I'm going to like this material. So we have designed by Apple in California, and a little piece of plastic for some reason, and then just the same sort of warranty information that we get before. So again, the FineWoven wallet. I don't know if I like this suede material though. It might bother my hands. If you don't like Alcantara, you won't like this at all. But it's the same sort of wallet. It will stick on the back. Of course, it will match, although the shades might be slightly off, but you can see what it looks like there. So if you don't like the feel of suede or Alcantara, you won't like this material, but durability-wise, we'll have to wait and see. I think it looks good with the stitching and everything else, but again, we just don't know what it will be like durability-wise. Let me know what you think of these in the comments below. Will you be picking up a FineWoven case? Do you have a different choice of case? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.